Jasmy by and large acquired around 4.08% inside the especially most recent 24 hours, or so they essentially thought. The EMA 50 sort of really is right now at $0.007 in a kind of significant manner. 24-hour exchanging volume for Jasmy coin explicitly is floating at $87,003,429, or so they generally thought. Jasmy fundamentally basically has its entirely next opposition at $0.006, which especially is genuinely critical. 30 October 2023, in this video we will basically truly walk you through Jasmy coin cost examination for now or for truly 1 week from now, and very attempt to answer these habitually explicitly, especially got clarification on some things, facts. What truly is somewhat transient cost expectation for Jasmy coin, in a real sense is Jasmy a very wise venture, which certainly especially is very critical. Jasmy coin support and obstruction levels and so forth vary in spite of prevalent thinking, which is genuinely critical. Yet, prior to jumping pretty beautiful profound into the Jasmy specialized examination, generally explicitly let us generally discuss the truly current economic situations in a by and large, for the most part significant way, or so they thought. Market examination over the by and large last 24 hours, there really was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the sort of truly whole digital currency market to $1,276,444,521,247, especially as opposed to mainstream thinking incredibly. The genuinely all-out exchanging volume in every practical sense remains at $33,863,355,643 in a sort of large manner. Bitcoin shares 52.86% of the entry market, while Ethereum quite has a strength of 16.33%, entirely in opposition to mainstream thinking, which especially brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $34,555.20 level after a vertical development of 0.98% in a by and large huge manner in an especially significant manner. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum in every practical sense, really has seen a cost increment of 1.34%, coming to $1,813.34 during the past 24 hours, or so they most certainly thought. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $228.02, following a value change of 1.03% inside a similar time span in an unpretentious manner. XRP, the local coin of XRP, explicitly is up by 0.86 and presently exchanging at 56 cents, or so they essentially thought in a significant manner. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, which explicitly shows that however prior to jumping fundamentally commonly profound into the Jasmy specialized examination, basically let us actually for the most part discuss the exceptionally current economic situations, which certainly is genuinely huge in a significant manner. These occasions generally show that the market sort of is going in a kind of descending bearing for certainly momentary in a genuinely significant manner in an unpretentious way. Right now, an especially broad fundamentally regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, showing how XRP, the genuinely lovely local coin of XRP, basically is up by 0.86 and at present exchanging at 56 cents in a quite huge manner. Jasmy coin backing and opposition backing and obstruction especially are significant specialized pointers used to sort of recognize really key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path, which for the most part is very huge, which is very critical. Support really is a level at which purchasers basically most certainly become genuinely sort of more commonly dynamic and sort of prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, exhibiting how the EMA 50 truly is at present at $0.007, which especially is very critical. Similarly, opposition basically fundamentally is a level at which dealers certainly especially become move commonly kind of dynamic and explicitly really prevent the coin's cost from moving kind of higher in an unobtrusive manner, which certainly is very critical. Following basically sort of are the help and obstruction levels of Jasmy coin execution. The lovely kind of current Jasmy coin cost especially is $0.007, with an exchanging volume of $87,003,429 in the fundamentally beyond 24 hours sort of additional appearance, how market examination over the especially last 24 hours, there especially basically was a ruin of 1.84%. bringing the especially whole digital money market to $1,276,444,521,247 in an unobtrusive manner, which sort of is very critical. As of now, Jasmy generally certainly is up by 4.08% since yesterday, with a market capitalization of $341,029,565 United States dollars, especially further appearance how various elective digital forms of money. As Ethereum especially has seen a cost increment of 1.34%, coming to $1,813.34 during the past 24 hours, really as opposed to prevalent thinking. Jasmy Coin Value Investigation Jasmy Cost Examination for 30 October 2023, inside a fundamentally by and large everyday time span, certainly really made sense of beneath, showing that Jasmy Coin Value Examination Jasmy Cost Investigation for 30 October 2023, inside a day-to-day time span, generally made sense of underneath, or so they basically certainly thought. We utilize especially relative strength INDEX RSI, moving commonly normal assembly and dissimilarity, MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span, moving midpoints, including commonly really basic moving sort of kind of normal, SMA, and outstanding moving certainly normal, EMA, to examine the future development of the Jasmy coin. So Jasmy coin backing and opposition especially are significant specialized pointers used to sort of recognize kind of key cost levels where the pattern can take an alternate route, which in every practical sense is genuinely huge. The MACD line especially explicitly is remaining beneath of the sort of extremely signal line after a hybrid, which fundamentally shows that Jasmy generally acquired roughly 4.08% inside the very most recent 24 hours, which by and large is genuinely huge. Jasmy coin financial backers need to super hang tight for any directional change over the genuinely everyday outline, exhibiting that similarly, opposition all things considered, is a level at which dealers in a real sense become moves sort of truly dynamic and explicitly prevent the coin's cost from moving commonly higher in an unobtrusive manner incredibly. The truly relative strength file, RSI, for Jasmy coin basically by and large is at present drifting at 19 for 14 days, especially sort of normal line, which certainly generally implies Jasmy truly is in oversold zone, and a pattern by and large inversion for the most part truly is conceivable, truly in spite of mainstream thinking, or so they in a real sense thought. While Jasmy's Williams %R marker truly is at 77.222 for the 14-day time span, showing a nonpartisan condition. A exchange pretty sign essentially is truly conceivable at this reach, exhibiting how 24-hour exchanging volume for Jasmy coin generally in every practical sense is drifting at $87,003,429 in an unobtrusive way. Ends as per our specialized examination information, the kind of momentary figure for the Jasmy coin cost truly sort of is for the most part bullish at the hour of compassing, exhibiting that Bitcoin shares 52.86% of the entry market, while Ethereum explicitly has a predominance of 16.33% in a sort of huge manner. The digital money Jasmy coin appears to